No, I'm trying to take a picture.
Yeah, right.
It is? Okay.
I declare this one.
My boob.
Ow! My hip! I think I went out of place. Ah!
Oh.
I declare you Mount Melissa.
My butt. Ow, my crotch. Ow, my god. Ow!
Why don't you just name everything on your body,
My
God?
ribs. The fibula is next. According to my test, next comes the fibia. That ain't no tibia. That ow, my head.
Then comes the tibia. That ain't no fibia.
And now I'm up to my knees.
Knees. Yeah.
That's up and tell it to me. I'm doing about that. Okay.
Oh!
I definitely am recording this.
No. Oh, I know. It's kind of obvious. You're just like.
We need to see some time.
Oh my God! Don't
Rachel,
get
what are
pee.
your blonde joke?
Do you think you're smart?
No, you're just saying
No, you're supposed to say yes.
I knew the joke.
That's the funniest dumb blonde joke I have ever heard.
Stop! You're getting hair on my pizza. Oh my God! Ew!
Lice! E. coli! Rotavirus!
Loser!
L7 wiener!
L7
I don't know what the frick's up with my friends. My friends are just freaking retarded.
Loser, whatever. Fly away forever. You're pathetic. Butthole. Whoops.
You want to see something interesting? My pizza. Rachel Perk.
Get
Wait!
down.
Don't kick my coat.
I think